Yeah, look like it's magic. Make it look like it's magic. Oh, you make it look like it's magic.
This is a 2014 Dodge Avenger. It's actually my son's car. He had got somebody off Facebook Marketplace to come out and do his headlights on site. But you could see they didn't do a good job. I told him once I find time and room in the booth, I'll take care of it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Our first step is sanding them. I got some 400 grit sandpaper in here and some soap and water. And we just going to sand it. Sand the headlights. You want to be careful when you sand it around the paint surface. It's best to go ahead and mask it up, but I'm going to mask it up once I get through sanding. I'm just going to be real careful. Once you get through sanding, you want to take a rag and just wipe it off. Now I take the blow hose and blow the rest of the water away. After the blow down, we're going to take some masking tape and just trim out around this outline, around the headlight. I got it masked up around the outline. Now I close the hood and throw some plastic on the front end of the car. Here you go right here. This
my
is
hair kit. My hair kit, you feel?
There's no Hellcat.
Take care of my hair kit, man.
This is a Dodge Avenger.
Dodge 2017.
I hear you. Alright, let's go on and finish up. Plastic over the car. Now I'm just going to go back and cut out around where I outlined with the masking tape. Once I finished taping it up, I had came back with some wax and grease remover and wiped it down. I was just using this clean strip prep all. Now I spray some plastic adhesion promoter on it. I'll be using this PPG DPX 801. I'll spray one coat of adhesion promoter, then move on to the clear. One coat of adhesion promoter. I think some of this on the inside of the lights. If it is, ain't nothing I can do about that. Like this here, look like it's on the inside.
from the